A chlorine feeder is usually installed in water tank to feed chlorine and maintain residual chlorine concentration designated by the Water Supply and Waterworks Installation Act to sterilize water that comes from underground and valley water at small water supply facilities. As for existing chlorine feeders, problems could occur with electricity supply or malfunction of PCB panel if they use solar energy, and in the case of non-powered mechanical types, problems related with corrosion of machines and breakdown due to abrasion, along with difficulty preparing accurate amount of chlorine and feeding it according to flow amount could occur. On the other hand, a chlorine feeder with water wheels has been developed to counter such existing problems by controlling the water wheel with a magnet for the first time in Korea. With no electric breakdown and hygienic stainless material, our product has secured hygienic and safety standards by using corrosion-resistant materials for contact area with chlorine. Also, there is no noise or abrasion as there is no mechanical operation while maintaining consistent residual chlorine concentration proportional to flow amount, despite differences in the amount of rain from the valley. The main body of the chlorine feeder with the water wheel is installed inside of the tank. If you take a look at the basic structure of a chlorine feeder, it is composed of 3 water tanks, such as first distribution tank of flow amount and first distribution section, second distribution tank of flow amount and second distribution section, and concentration control part, along with water wheels, a neodymium magnet to control water levels, and a tube pump that feeds chemicals. If you take a look at the operation principle and feeding process of a chlorine feeder with the water wheels, water tank pipe is connected to chlorine feeder with the water wheel so resource water comes through the chlorine feeder. When water passes through the first distribution section, only 1/18 goes to the second distribution tank, and then 1/15 of that water gets distributed and fills the water tank with the water wheel. At this point, neodymium permanent magnet stops the wheel with magnetic force, not spinning like general water wheel. Once the weight of water in the tank surpasses 1 liter, the wheel spins and chemicals are fed by the operation of the tube pump, which is connected to a spinning axis. If you take a look at the operation principle, the total amount of water in the tank should reach about 270 liters before 1 liter of water spins the wheel. Therefore, consistent residual chlorine concentration is maintained by chemicals fed from the tube pump. As you can see, the chlorine feeder with and water wheel from Hansamkora enables feeding chemicals of consistent concentration with precision, feeding proportional to flow amount, despite drought or rain. By adjusting the distribution rate at the second distribution tank, spinning proportional to flow amount can be adjusted. Therefore, it is easy and simple to control residual chlorine concentration by changing the amount of chlorine feed. Also, it is the first magnetic water control technology in Korea. It is possible to maintain consistent water levels using magnetic force from the neodymium magnet sealed in PE and to operate with the right amount by spinning and stopping the wheel. It causes no shock or noise as there is no mechanical breakdown or corrosion, so it is half permanent. As you can see from various test results, its excellent performance has been proven for Hansamkora's chlorine feeder, which controls concentration according to flow amount with the performance of magnet. Also, with the largest chemical storage tank in the industry externally installed, it is easy to maintain as it can last maximum up to 1 year with a long replacement period required. Established in 1995, Hansamkora Company Limited has been able to develop and deliver chlorine feeders and sterilizers with the superiority of its products recognized by various patents, utility models, and excellent product designation by the government. Hansamkora is competing with global companies for technology innovation through sustainable technology development. Hansamkora Company Limited will not stop its effort for technology development for an environment based on the sustainable coexistence between nature and humans.